Hi, this is Wilmas Kitchen, and we have salmon here with lemon garlic honey sauce. Guys, this is Wilmas Kitchen. Today we're cooking salmon. Just add salt and pepper. I always cook this recipe guys kasi gustong gusto ng mga family ko. Super sarap sila nito, hindi sila nagsasawa. Kaya please, join with me. Thank you for watching. Turn other side. This recipe guys is very fast and easy to cook. Promise. And ang sarap. Siguro naririnig nyo yung background ko kasi andito ako sa Saudi Arabia and every time mag-cook ako is merong salat. It's salat time. We will just add little olive oil in our grill pan and then we will just spread para hindi siya magdikit. Tapos, over high heat, we will fry our salmon. Yung cut pala ng salmon na to guys is steak cut. Yung ganito palang hiwa is steak. Kala ko rin fish fillet. Ayan guys, check nyo lang po kung ready na po siyang i-split. Dapat golden brown ang ating salmon. Look, it's sizzling guys. So now it's cooked. See guys, almost. Look at this. It's perfect. And this is our ingredients for our lemon garlic honey sauce. We will just use 1 lemon here guys kasi juicy siya. You can see. Ayan guys. Press lang natin. Yan, juicy yung lemon natin. Tapos we will add 3 tablespoons of honey. Tapos, i-mix lang natin siya before natin i-on ang ating burner. Tapos, mekos lang hanggang sa lumapot siya, guys. Nakalimutan ko pala yung garlic, guys, kaya hinabol ko. Yan, mekos-mekos ulit. Tapos, pag medyo ganito na siyang forma, pwede na siya guys. Huwag masyadong i-overcook kasi magiging so sticky siya. Ayan. Look at that guys. Dapat ganyan lang yung consistency. Yan. Ayan guys. Ready na po ang ating salmon. I-pour na natin. Look at this. Wow. This is my lemon garlic honey sauce. Thank you for watching at Wilmas Kitchen. Yum, yum, yum.